remember, the war of words has been going on. The blame game has still continued. On one hand, you have the opposition leaders who are saying that it is actually the centre that is not allowing talks to take place, saying they're running away from discussion. On the other hand, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister blaming the opposition. Listen in.
देखिए, पार्लियामेंट में जैसा मेंबर्स का बिहेवियर है वो सब देश देखता है और पार्लियामेंट का बहुत तरीके होते हैं चलाने का। रूल्स, रेगुलेशंस, कन्वेंशंस, कई चीजें होते हैं जिसको पालन करना होता है। अगर पार्लियामेंट नहीं चलेगा तो देश कैसे चलेगा? देश को चलाने के लिए भारत का संसद चलना बहुत जरूरी है। एक चीज है जो बहुत सा लोगों को पता नहीं है, पार्लियामेंट ठीक से अगर नहीं चलेगा तो उसमें सबसे ज्यादा नुकसान देश को होता है और ऑपोजिशन एमपीज को होता है।
So, Akanksha, we've seen this play out time and again where the government says we're ready for a discussion but let the House function, but the opposition continuing to blame the centre. In fact, yesterday as well, several leaders from the opposition, including Mallikarjun Kharge as well as Jairam Ramesh, had accused the government of deliberately adjourning the House within minutes of it functioning because they want to run away from discussion. Take us through the war of words and the version from both sides.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. You see war of words continue over this entire issue with the opposition leaders, in fact, saying that the government does not want to discuss the Adani, Manipur, Sambal, or for that matter, the Bangladesh issue in the parliament. They are running away from debating these issues in the parliament. On the other hand, as I told you, that the government is saying that this is the disruptive and the destructive, in fact, the tactics of the opposition leaders. They don't want the parliament to function at all. And they, as far as the Adani issue is concerned, remember, at the start of the parliament session, in fact, the NDA leaders had also questioned the timing of this issue and questioned why at the start of every parliament session, Adani issue is raised and then the proceedings of the parliament are stalled. So it remains to be seen, but we were in fact expecting that today would be a constructive session of the parliament, but just ahead of that we are witnessing in fact the protest in the parliament and the opposition leaders are in fact raising the issue of Adani, and many of them have also given the adjournment motion notices demanding in fact the discussion on the Adani issue, Manipur issue, and also wanting in funds and assistance to the state of Tamil Nadu as well. But as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, what we are also learning is that Prime Minister is seized of the matter. He has ensured assistance to the state of Tamil Nadu. So keeping that aside, now the opposition parties want a debate on the Manipur and Adani issue. So it remains to be seen how that goes, but definitely the war of words continue over this issue with centre blaming the opposition parties of stalling the proceedings and the opposition leader saying that the government is running away from answering these tough questions.
Okay, all right. Akanksha, thank you for joining us with those details. In fact, Kiran Rijiju also had a message for the opposition. Listen in.
पार्लियामेंट ठीक से अगर नहीं चलेगा तो उसमें सबसे ज्यादा नुकसान देश को होता है और ऑपोजिशन एमपीज को होता है। सरकार का काम तो करते रहेंगे, सरकार का पास में मेजॉरिटी है और हमारा बहुमत के कारण अगर कोई बिल पारित करना है तो हम तो वैसे ही पारित कर देंगे। अगर ऑपोजिशन चर्चा नहीं करना चाहते हैं